Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Here's how you get your presets into Lightroom Classic. Make sure you're on the Develop panel. Here is where you can do your basic editing in Lightroom. So to get these presets in, I'm showing you with the LSP Newborn Harmony Pro presets. Just on your presets drop down, hit the little plus and hit Import Presets. Locate the zip file, make sure it's completely zipped, don't extract, keep it zipped, and Lightroom will import the zip file. You can see your presets on the left. If they're closed, click the little drop down. And to see what the presets do, you can just hover over each one. They're in workflow order, starting with the basics, moving on to the more artistic presets. So you can just hover and flow. For example, we're looking over temperatures here, lighting effects. Just hover to see what you want, and then you can click to apply. For the full tutorials of how to use these presets, visit lsp-actions.com and look over the tutorials section. Enjoy editing with these. I hope you love them. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.